And the US markets are going through a meltdown right now. At this moment, as we speak, the Dow nearly 900 points down, about 882 points down, 3% down. The Nasdaq also melting with a 2% hit. The S&P 500 almost 2.5% down. Now, a couple of factors which are bothering the US markets, and one of them are reports and hints that perhaps another round of restrictions could be imposed in the UK after coronavirus cases have been surging. There is also a fear in the United States that a second set of stimulus may get stuck in their legislative process after the death of a Supreme Court sitting judge, Judge Ruth Ginsburg. But let me go across now to Peter Cardillo and Jeff Dennis, two experts who are joining us on the show now to break down what is happening in global markets and what is the impact they see of that on India. Good evening, gentlemen. Evening my time. Peter Cardillo, let me start by getting your take on what exactly is going on.
Well, there's a lot of fear out there this morning, and that fear is not only about the coronavirus that may cause further lockdowns in Europe. There's a good possibility that certain parts of Great Britain will once again, of England will once again be shut down. And of course, the debt rise here in the United States is 200,000 at this time. And then there are other problems. We have perhaps political upheaval coming due to the fact that Ginsburg has passed away, and that President Trump is trying to get his new, he hasn't announced it yet, but his new nominee perhaps passed before the election. So this is also a concern. And then I think there's another big factor here. If you look what's happening in the US dollar, the dollar index is soaring this morning. It's caused short covering. People got caught off guard, and that's having a huge impact, a huge sell-off, I should say, in the commodities as well. If you look what's happening in gold and silver, oil prices are down sharply, and commodities in general right across the board. So all of these declines add up to the fear factor, and we're seeing that with the VIX this morning, which is up almost 5%, trading a little above 30.53 at this time. Why is this happening? Well, obviously, if we do have another lockdown in certain parts of Europe, that means more economic pain, and that's the reason why we're seeing the strong dollar. But then again, with a surgence of new cases in the United States, that may also mean an impact in economic activity here and cut short any of the progress that we've made since the summer months.